Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by verifying prerequisites, check Node, JS and your package manager because mismatches bite later. Once done, initialize the project with npm init.y or yarn init.y so package. JSON exists. Then install the library with a precise version, for example npm install law-at 4. 17. 21 save. Make sure to save exact versions to avoid surprises. Finally, open your main file and import the library. This starts the hands-on flow and avoids wasting time. You now wire the library into your code. Require or import it depending on module type, because mixing systems causes runtime errors. Once imported, call small testable functions like debounce or merge to validate behavior. Make sure to write a short unit test or console log to confirm outputs. If using TypeScript, add type packages or ambient declarations so tooling understands shapes. This step is about practical usage. Call, inspect, and adapt code until integration is predictable and clear. You finalize by optimizing and validating. Configure your bundler to tree-shake unused exports so bundles stay small. Once optimized, run the dev server, linting, and unit tests to catch issues early. Make sure the build script reproduces production output locally. If something breaks, inspect node modules and the lock file and verify module resolution paths. This often reveals version conflicts. Finally, bump versions cautiously, and when in doubt, reproduce the problem in a minimal repo so you can fix the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.